Kind of added like a dangerous.
Exactly.
A little bit of a danger, like.
I was ready to get wrecked by this storm.
Well, that's why I came.
Take him.
Good morning, guys. Done messed up. I got beat to a spot, so now I'm scrambling. I'm like, dang. I fudged the time 30 minutes to get a little extra sleep.
Well, good morning. We're just chilling with the mosquitoes for this teal hunt, and I'm organizing this thing. I'm like, this time will be fine. It was not fine. I got the mustache crew with me, the mustache boys.
How's it going?
This is Zach and
Good morning.
Jake Kelly, and this will be Zach's first hunt today.
I think it would be cool if this would lead to like a family tradition or something.
There you go.
I think that'd be very cool.
It's a good start. We need more men teaching their kids how to duck hunt, so that'd be good. Just have lots of babies and teach them all how to duck hunt.
Yeah, like we were talking about earlier.
Yeah.
6 kids going to church telling dad jokes.
This day just keeps getting better. We're about to get wrecked by a thunderstorm too, so that's nice. There's just lightning everywhere. It's pretty cool, actually. So you boys ready to get wrecked by this storm?
Well, that's why I came.
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah. Hopefully we wreck some teal too. Oh man.
It's getting lit.
It's getting pretty lit. Jeez. I'm not sure I can say I've just duck hunted straight through a legit lightning storm that's like right on top of us like this.
Have you ever done this before? Hunted in a lightning storm?
I've hunted around lightning, but this is a lot of lightning.
Probably shouldn't hold up my gun like that.
I would probably just hold it straight in the air. I tell it you ain't scared of no nader. I ain't
I've lived in
scared.
Kansas for 23 years. I ain't scared of no tornado.
I'm from Kansas, boy.
Midwestern dads that stand out on their porch just to watch the tornado, that's me.
Yes.
At a porch.
I don't know, but it was close.
That was all the way out there.
I mean, I know by the time we could hear it, it was already too late, but
Yeah.
I was still like, get my feet out of this water. This is what makes men. This is what it's all about. It's still so dark. Dang, dude, that stuff is popping off. Rubber boots, we're good to go. I think a bird just landed in our decoy. No idea what it is, though. Be watching out there for something swimming around. But that was a real teal. Hear that? Something else landed out there. That's a teal. If you know which one it is, shoot it. If we get a flash of lightning, get a good ID on it. Pick that silhouette out. That's not a teal. That's a common nighthawk. Oh, yeah. Oh, we can't be for sure what that is yet. Okay. Let's just keep watching him. We'll see if he'll make a call. Let's both shoot on 3, okay? Okay. 1, 2. Sorry, I was counting. I was done. I was a little before you. That's my bad.
No worries.
Oh, we got 2 down out there. We each got one. Heck yeah, dude. Cheers.
Thank you.
First
Heck
duck,
yeah.
man.
Wow, that's beautiful.
They are. Did you get yours?
No, I didn't.
Okay. Wow. I shot a double. Well, I lost one on that pass. Dude, this is pretty crazy. What? Just all of it. It's wet. I'm stoked that we got a couple though. We're not skunked.
Yeah.
So that's nice.
Sorry on that last one.
You're good. I'm not sure I've duck hunted in rain this hard before. Coming down like cats and dogs out here. We got 3 teal, 1 loss so far. That's pretty good for today so far. All right, here's one. Oh, take him. Okay, you get on those. I'll get on these. There should be 3 out there. You pick up 3? There should be 2 right there. How many do you have out there? 3? All right, come look for this one with me. Oh, what? Here, get in front of me.
Right behind you.
Or behind me, I guess. We're just looking for one here. This is the one that Zach shot. Oh, he's right here. Praise the Lord. All right, let's go and count our birds. Make sure we got everything. Heck yeah. So I'm done. And how many birds are in your pile?
4.
Well, you can shoot 2 more. And I am done.
That was one of the toughest things I've ever seen. You like walk out there, it's like super slow, and those 2 frickers land in front of you, and then like, dude, 2 bolts of lightning went on either side of you, and you're just like,
Oh man,
dude, it was like
that would have been so cool.
I just watched a movie play. The rain rolled in, and then it was just, and then instantly pouring rain everywhere. And I'm like,
those guys that tipped us off this morning about this spot, big thanks to y'all. I was I was very skeptical. I'll just say that. You just shoot your last 2. You've been shooting pretty good. I think you can get it done. I'll call for you. I'll help you do the ID.
my glasses are fogging up.
Oh yeah, it's so humid. Are you guys just soaked head to toe like me?
I don't know how soaked I am. I can't tell if it's sweat or
Oh
water.
Right. Oh no, I can. As it was raining, I could just feel the water start to drain down, and then it hit like my lower back, and then my butt, and my nuts, and now it's all wet. There's 2. Get him. Get him. Hey, you got one.
Got one.
Heck yeah. Nice shooting. Well, you only need 1 more.
Cool.
How you doing without your glasses?
Good work, good work. Pretty good. They just kept fogging up.
Yeah.
With the rain, or with this thing down.
Nice. Remember, if you get a flock, just pick out what one now.
This one.
Yeah.
What
Oh,
about
right here, like these.
Am I good to go get that one?
Yeah. Just keep your gun ready. Maybe this is why my mojos never work every year. Now they're over there. Well, that is all for us, guys. We shot 11. Zach shot 5, I shot 5, and I lost 1. So that's pretty good. And we had a heck of a show.
this morning, and just, I don't know, the power of the God that created this was very evident today. So that was really cool. There's just lightning everywhere. I can say I've never hunted with this much lightning. So it's pretty cool. Anything you got to say about your first hunt, Zach?
The thunderstorm definitely made it
Yeah.
crazier but more fun.
I agree.
It was a blast.
This is what like men need in their lives. Adventure.
Adventure, yeah.
Maybe not necessarily lightning, but
It was fun. It
Just a
kind of
bonus.
added like a dangerous,
exactly.
a little bit of a danger, like.
Like, I feel like I can feel that one in my feet, you know? Yeah, that's what
Maybe God just said hi there.
yeah. He's like, you boys need to get out of here.